In this video, I am going to show you how to add or remove gallery pictures. After clicking on gallery setting, one pop-up is appearing on the screen. Already one gallery pictures is added. Over here you can see. If you want to add any new gallery album, you can click on green button. Here you can add the particular title of the gallery category, for example deluxe room, and around 10 pictures you can add in particular category. After uploading the pictures, you can save, and then you can see the reflection in the front view of the website. Let me open the gallery page. Below the delightful frames, you can see this is the deluxe room. So this is the simple process how to add new gallery category on the gallery setting. Now let me show you how to remove it. Just click on red button and save, and in the front view of the website you can reload the page, so you can see it's removed. Now let's understand how to add or delete in particular category. So here around 10 pictures are added. So if you want to edit particular picture, so you can click on the pencil icon. If you want to remove particular picture, you can click on the delete icon and then allow them and then save. Here this picture we remove. After reloading, you can see it's successfully removed. So this is the process for gallery. Thank you.